Hello and welcome to Road TRIpVIA. This is episode 148. Today's category will be the U.S. President Harry S. Truman. This is a 20-question trivia quiz that will take approximately 10 minutes. If you enjoy this quiz or others like it, please feel free to hit like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to. That would be great for us. We appreciate it. Good luck. Question 1. Harry S. Truman was born on May 8, 1884. In what state was he born? The answer is Missouri. Question 2. What is President Harry S. Truman's middle name? The answer is just the letter S. Question 3. Before he became president, what office was Truman elected to in 1934? The answer is the U.S. Senate. Question 4. What number was Harry Truman on the chronological list of American presidents? The answer is the 33rd. Question 5. Harry Truman was the vice president to which U.S. president who died just over 80 days into his fourth term? The answer is Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Question 6. Truman's program to provide aid to rebuild Europe after World War II was called what? The answer is the Marshall Plan. Question 7. What method of campaigning did Truman use to good effect while running for his second term? The answer is a whistle-stop tour. Question 8. On May 22, 1947, President Harry S. Truman signed a bill to contain the spread of communism by providing aid to Greece and Turkey, which became known as what? The answer is the Truman Doctrine. Question 9. How old was Harry Truman when he died? The answer is 88. Question 10. Who is the historian who, in 1992, published a 992-page biography of Truman? The answer is David McCullough. Question 11. What was the name of Harry Truman's wife? The answer is Elizabeth Virginia Wallace Truman, or Bess for short. Question 12. Who was the Vice President of the United States during Harry Truman's second term? The answer is Alben Barkley. Question 13. What war did Harry Truman fight in as an artillery captain? The answer is World War I. Question 14. He served 2 terms as President of the United States. Which years did he serve? The answer is 1945 to 1953. Question 15. What did President Harry Truman do to bring World War II to an end in Japan? The answer is he dropped 2 atomic bombs on Japan. Question 16. Truman's 1948 election was so close that Chicago Tribune released a newspaper the next morning declaring who as the winner. The answer is Thomas Dewey. Question 17. Which actress was famously photographed swinging her legs atop a piano being played by Harry Truman? The answer is Lauren Bacall. Question 18. What indoor game was one of Harry Truman's favorite forms of recreation? The answer is poker. Question 19. During the last 3 years of his presidency, what war was the U.S. involved in? The answer is the Korean War. Question 20. What was the name of the plane that dropped the first atomic bomb on an enemy target? The answer is the Enola Gay. Alright, that is it for today. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click subscribe if you'd like to be reminded of our daily quizzes. We put out a new one every day around noon Central Standard Time. We hope you guys enjoy these. I'm really starting to enjoy the presidential trivia. It's kind of daunting at the beginning to come up with 20 questions for each president, but as I do the research and start looking into this stuff, there are some very interesting stories about these guys. So hopefully you enjoy the trivia, and if it inspires you to go read a little bit and learn a little bit more about these guys and some of the subjects that we do the quizzes on, that's the whole idea. So let us know if there's a category you'd like to get a quiz on. If not, just check back tomorrow around noon Central Standard Time for the new quiz. Thanks, guys.